Are you gonna go catch a bird? Oh, look, Esmond. Look, Esmond, there's a bird. You better go get it. Go get it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where are you going with Mommy's purse? Yeah, where are you going with Mommy's purse? Where are you going with Mommy's purse and Mommy's keys? Oh, you're leaving the purse? Bye, see you later. Bye, have a good time. Okay, see you later. Please don't lose my keys. I thought you were going somewhere. Okay. You go. How'd you get back over here without my keys? Taking a spare diaper and wet ones? There's a bird. You better go catch it. I think if you reach higher, you can get it.